Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prachi and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle category. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notification every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing how we can style our gym leggings out of the gym. So basically I'm going to be sharing how you can style your gym leggings. So without any further ado, let's jump onto the video. Okay, so for the very first look, I have used my Bliss Club leggings and I have paired it up with a maroon tank top which is in matching with the leggings and layered it up with a nice sheer shirt which goes with the vibe. And for the footwear, I have thrown my sneakers and I have tied my hairs into a nice ponytail. So this look was really comfortable yet stylish. So if I have to wear it ever, I would wear this look whenever I am going with my friends for pickleball session or maybe badminton session or maybe for tennis session. So if you guys ever plan such session with your friends or family and you want to keep your fit really modesty, so you can definitely style your leggings in such way. And also for layering, you can opt for some other options that's available in your wardrobe. It can be a gym jacket or maybe something else that is lying in your wardrobe for a long time. Okay, moving on to the next look. I haven't done anything special for this look. I have kept it really simple. I've just thrown my Bliss Club tee with the Bliss Club leggings and I have worn white socks and a good pair of sport shoes and a good high ponytail again. And this look is really simple. You can wear this look if you're going for a walk or maybe a run or maybe for your yoga, dance or Pilates session. So this is really comfortable and you can go hassle free with this look. This might be your regular gym fit, but definitely you can opt for such look for different workout sessions, as this is really comfortable, simple and you can go hassle free, and it is obviously really function and you might look like you have just walked out of a Nike ad. Okay, moving on to the next look. I have again styled it with a simple tee with the same maroon leggings from Bliss Club and I have just tied a white shirt on my waist. So this look can be worn when you're going for trekking or maybe for any sporty event or adventure. So I have worn my most comfortable Puma shoes and I wanted my hairs to do some talking, so I have just made a really good bubble braid and it really pulled off the whole look together and made it look really stylish. Because whenever you're going for trekking or maybe some adventure, you definitely want to click some pictures and don't want to look sad and all. So there should be an element. So I have added my hairs into a bubble ponytail, so it looks really stylish yet you look adventure appropriate or trekking appropriate, whatever it is. Obviously you can style the look up or down. It's completely up to you and your style and your comfort zone. Okay, moving on to the next look. I have used my navy blue leggings which is again from Bliss Club and I have paired it with a oversized white tee, and I wanted this look to be picnic appropriate or maybe some sort of outing appropriate. So I wanted to look little stylish but also comfortable. So I have just thrown my crossbody bag and throw on a layered neck piece and again did a nice bubble ponytail for my hairs and throw on my slippers, so I can be comfortable if I want to walk a lot. So again you can do changes here and there according to your style and your comfort. Okay, moving forward, how can we forget a nice office look? So I have again styled the navy blue Bliss Club leggings with a nice short kurti, and to amp up the look I have tied a scarf on my neck and I have worn my smartwatch and had that tote bag that I regularly use. And for my footwear I have used a nice transparent heels to make the look little polished, and for hairs I have done a sleek ponytail. Okay, so the look turned out really good. I was really happy with the way the look turned out and I really loved it. So this can be appropriate when you're going for office. So who knew you can style your gym leggings for office as well? Okay, so you can definitely ditch on the short kurti part, and if you want to go for the long kurti you can definitely opt for that. Again, it's your choice how you want to make little changes in these looks. Moving on to the next look. This look is a really chic look. So I have again used my black Bliss Club leggings. Guys, this video is not at all sponsored by Bliss Club. It's all my money that I have put in it. So please, Bliss Club, if you're watching, please sponsor. I would love to do the sponsorship. I really love your products. Bliss Club leggings are really comfortable. So if you are looking for the option, just blindly trust me and get your hands in the Bliss Club leggings. These are really comfortable. Your every penny will be worth investing on. I have tried. So guys, if you want me to do a full-on review on Bliss Club products, I will love to do. Please let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you guys want these leggings, I will definitely put up the link in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And moving forward to this look, I have just thrown on my black tank with black Bliss Club leggings and this denim jacket, and the look looked so chic. I have put high heels so that I get some height and elongated look. And for hairs, again, I have just done a sleek ponytail and it looked really chic. Moving on to the next look, this look is again really casual but edgy look. So for this look, I have styled again my black Bliss Club leggings with black tank, and I have thrown a white shirt and rolled my sleeves up. Okay, so this look can be perfect when you're about to attend a professional meeting, or maybe you're traveling a long route just to attend a meeting. So this look will be really comfortable and you will look really edgy. Okay, so for footwear, I have worn high heels, but definitely you can wear the footwear that you are comfortable while traveling, or maybe with that particular fit. And for hairs, to give it edgy look, I have again went with sleek ponytail. You can definitely do sleek bun or maybe sleek hairs, how you like it on yourself. So it's completely one style. Moving on to the next look, I have worn my Bliss Club leggings with a nice showstopper top. It has balloon sleeves. The whole drama is on sleeves, so the attention gets away from the bottom wear and the whole attention is on top. So I have layered a good gold layered neck piece, gold hoop, and I have also used black bag which has some gold detailing going on. And for the footwear, I have went for transparent heels. You can definitely go for black if you're going the whole black on black vibe, or you can definitely opt for the colors or bags that suits your outfit and your look. And again, for hairs, you can go sleek if you like that sleekness, or maybe you can keep your hairs open down or maybe up in a ponytail, and again it will give a really nice party look. And who can tell you're wearing that gym leggings for your party look. Moving on to the last look of this video, how can we forget our Desi or Indian look? So for this, I have worn my anarkali suit and I have ditched my regular leggings, and I have worn my Bliss Club leggings and I have worn the transparent high heels. You can definitely opt for the juttis or some other type of footwear. And for neck piece, I have worn gold layered neck piece and I have thrown the same black bag. For hairs, I have kept the hairs open to complete the whole look. Okay, so if you are looking for some regular leggings to wear with your Indian wear, kurti, anarkalis, you can definitely opt for the Lyra ones. Those are the most comfortable and best till now that I have used. Okay, so that is it for the video, guys. These are not the only ways how you can style your gym leggings. There can be more options. You can definitely style it in even more ways. During winters, you can wear with turtlenecks, boots on, by layering multiple garments. There can be much more ways. You guys can do it much better maybe. So if there are more options, let me know in the comments below. I would love to read your comments and know the more looks that you guys create. Also guys, the Bliss Club leggings that I have worn and used in these looks, I will definitely try to put up the link in the description box. So if you would also love to get it for yourself, definitely consider checking the description box below. And also guys, if you would love to watch Bliss Club products review, I would definitely love to make one for you guys. So let me know in the comments down below that too. Okay, so for now, that is it for the video guys. These are the ways how you can style your gym leggings out of the gym. Maybe you have stopped going to the gym and leggings are just lying in your wardrobe, and you can style it here and there in your day-to-day life, wear it and make use of it. But your leggings are calling you to start gymming again, guys. So consider starting it again with me. Okay, so that is it for the video guys. Make sure you like this video, comment down below and share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Till then, thank you for watching.